Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Renault remote key fob. The battery is situated just behind this panel here, so we need to remove this blade here to access that panel. We do that by pressing this little grey button here on the side, which releases the key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. Now we get a flat-headed screwdriver, and just in the indentation there we pop it in and give it a twist, which releases that panel. And there you go, there is your key fob battery. We just get your screwdriver and prise it out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. You get your new key fob battery and you just simply pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and you know it's in its correct location. We just get the cover and we just simply pop it back on, make sure it all clicks in place. And now we just pop the emergency blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.